What if I told you that the next big electric crossover Canada might want isn't American, isn't European, and isn't even officially here yet? Because while everyone is arguing about EV prices, charging stations, and government incentives, China is quietly building something very different, and its name is Zeekr 8X. A premium electric crossover that could land in Canada at exactly the moment when the rules of the game are starting to shift. For years, Chinese electric vehicles were kept out of Canada by high tariffs, strict regulations, and political hesitation. But things are changing. Canada is under pressure to increase EV adoption, lower vehicle prices, hit aggressive climate targets. And that creates an interesting situation. When affordability becomes a priority, and when supply from traditional brands can't keep up, new players suddenly look very attractive. That's where Zeekr enters the conversation, not loudly, not aggressively, but at exactly the right time. Zeekr is not a startup experiment. It's a premium EV brand backed by Geely, the same automotive group behind Volvo, Polestar, and Lotus. The Zeekr 8X sits right in the sweet spot. Compact to mid-size electric crossover, premium design, high-performance EV platform. Think Tesla Model Y size, but with a more luxurious European-inspired approach. This isn't a cheap EV. The Zeekr 8X focuses on clean, minimal exterior design, high-quality interior materials, large central display with fast software, advanced driver assistance systems. Performance-wise, early specs suggest strong acceleration, competitive range, fast charging support. In other words, it's built to compete globally, not just locally. Here's where things get interesting. In international markets, vehicles in this category usually start well above $45,000 USD. But Zeekr's pricing strategy has always been disruptive. Industry estimates place the Zeekr 8X closer to $35,000, $40,000 USD, depending on configuration. For Canada, that would put it directly in Tesla Model Y territory, but with a more premium feel and potentially fewer compromises. And if Canada continues easing barriers for electrified vehicles, this price gap becomes impossible to ignore. Canada is one of the toughest real-world tests for any electric vehicle. It's not just about range numbers on a website. It's about winter, distance, and reliability. And this is where the Zeekr 8X starts to make a lot of sense. First, cold weather performance. Canadian winters are brutal for EVs. Battery efficiency drops, charging slows down. Range anxiety becomes real. The Zeekr 8X is expected to feature advanced battery thermal management, meaning the battery actively heats and cools itself to maintain efficiency in cold temperatures. That translates to more consistent winter range, faster cold weather charging, better long-term battery health. This isn't a city-only EV. It's built for real climates. Second, Canadian distances. Canadians don't just drive across town. They drive between cities, to cottages, through long, empty highways. The Zeekr 8X is positioned as a long-range, fast-charging crossover, which means fewer stops, shorter charging sessions, and less planning. It's designed for people who want an EV that works beyond the city core. Third, charging infrastructure, reality. While Canada's charging network is improving, it's still uneven. Urban areas are fine. Rural regions, not so much. The Zeekr 8X supports high-speed DC fast charging, allowing drivers to add significant range in short stops. Rely less on public chargers overall. Use the car flexibly, without constant planning. This is the difference between an EV that's impressive on paper and one that's usable in real life. Fourth, value matters more than ever. With high interest rates and rising costs of living, Canadian buyers are more price-conscious than ever. The Zeekr 8X doesn't try to be the cheapest EV, it tries to be the smartest value. Premium feel, modern technology, competitive pricing. For many buyers, that balance is far more attractive than paying extra for a logo. Finally, confidence and peace of mind. Zeekr isn't an unknown experiment. It's backed by Geely, a global automotive giant with deep ties to Volvo and Polestar. That matters in Canada, where trust, safety standards, and long-term support are critical. The Zeekr 8X doesn't ask Canadians to take a leap of faith. It offers a calculated step forward. Quick question for you. If the Zeekr 8X arrived in Canada at a lower price than a Tesla Model Y, would you seriously consider it? Let me know in the comments. I read every single one. And if you're enjoying this breakdown, hit like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. The Zeekr 8X isn't just about one car. It represents something bigger, a future where Canadian buyers have more choice, more competition, and fewer overpriced options. If brands like Zeekr succeed, the entire market shifts. Prices come down, technology moves faster, and consumers win. So when you zoom out and look at the bigger picture, the Zeekr 8X isn't just another new electric crossover, it's a preview. A preview of where the Canadian car market might be heading next. For a long time, Canadians were told that choosing an EV meant accepting one of two options: pay a premium for a familiar brand, or compromise on quality to save money. But cars like the Zeekr 8X challenge that idea. They suggest a future where you don't have to choose between price, technology, and real-world usability. If Zeekr and brands like it are allowed to compete in Canada, the impact goes far beyond one model. Competition increases, prices come down, innovation speeds up. And the real winners aren't manufacturers, they're Canadian drivers. Because more choice means better vehicles, built faster, at fairer prices. So the real question isn't whether the Zeekr 8X is good enough. The real question is, are we ready to judge cars by what they offer, not just by where they come from? If the answer is yes, then the Zeekr 8X won't feel like a risk. It will feel like the future arriving a little earlier than expected. And that future might already be closer than we think.